Okay, hello there guys, welcome to another Unreal Engine 4 video. As I've covered in a previous video of mine, it's been a long time between my last bit of content and this one. I apologize for that, but it's the Christmas break. I've just got the last of the work that I needed to get done over the Christmas break finished, and I was like, yeah, what do? Do I go on Unreal, or do I just chill for a few days? But I've decided, since you guys really enjoyed my previous 7-day game challenge videos, I decided I'd do another one of those. Although it's going to be like 6 days or something, so I might actually just say 5 days to make this game. Let's see what we can get done in 5 days. So we're starting on the Friday. Let's call it Wednesday the 6th. Let's see what I can get done by Wednesday the 6th. Happy New Year to everyone, by the way, thinking about that. I hope everyone's had a fantastic Christmas and a great New Year. So what are we looking at here? So this is a game that I've decided to make. Now, in the previous game challenge, what I did was, we both, myself and the guy that I was having a game challenge with, we decided to both do a horror game. Now, in my previous one, if you've watched my other videos, you'll notice that I tried to make this big, expansive, open world. I tried to make it too big, basically, for what I had. So we've really gone back to basics, and I've very much copied his idea this time, and decided to go with the genre of a space horror game. So you're in space and it's spooky, basically, and you've got to get out, or you've got to do some objectives along the way. Now, so what we've got here then is, this is my modular space system. Now, if I just open up SketchUp there, right here, and show you one of the models that I've built a lot of these models today. So this is the, it's easy to just show you inside the engine. So this is the kind of theme. It's really old, it's very rusted. It looks very repetitive, and that's because it is. Now, as I've just said, I'm not putting too much time this time into how things look. It's a basically textured game. It's got normal maps on there. I'm not doing much with the textures. I'm not going to dive right into it. If I have time towards the end, then I may come back and look at making it a bit nicer. But basically, it's something to look at. You can navigate it. There's different rooms around here. They don't look too bad, really. If we jump in, they look a bit different in the game, because you can see the normal maps then. But yeah, it doesn't look too bad. You can walk around it. It's there's a bit of an atmosphere there. And now, if you've ever seen the movie It Follows, that's what I've decided to go for here. In the movie It Follows, in case you haven't seen it, there's a thing and it follows you. Surprise, surprise. When it gets to you, it kills you. And I'm going to do very much the same thing here. So I've used, you may have heard of Mixamo. If you've opened up the Epic Games launcher here, heading over to the marketplace, there's a fantastic free pack of character models. So let's just see what it brings up. So yeah, it's an animation pack. It's totally free. I would really recommend that you use this if you're just starting out learning playing games. You've got a bunch of models in here. Let's see if he displays the one I'm using. I'm using this guy over here. So if I can find him in the game real quick, I think I put him up here. There he is. Yeah, so let's just, what color is that? That's green. See, I'm using these tags down here. I'll explain those tags in a second. And then there's a key card here that's also green, so that's cool. So I can grab the key card and I can open the door. And we'll just give you a second. See, the light fills the room. I need to fix that light. But then here he comes, and he will walk towards you until he gets to you, basically. I hope so, anyway. Let's see if we can see him. So I'm thinking about also having the flashlight be on a battery, so you've got to find batteries around the map as well. Otherwise, you're going to have to stumble around in the dark. Oh shit, there he is. Yeah, so I'll give him this lantern. I figured the lantern was a kind of cool touch, because if you get like round a corner or something, you can start to see the red glow come around. You're like, oh shit, he's around there. Yeah. So that's what I decided to go for. So it's going to walk around the map, and he's going to have to get to you. So let's go back and look at those key cards real quick. Where did I put that? Okay, yeah, so the use of these tags, let me quickly go over these tags. These tags are something I've discovered today and played with, and they are absolutely phenomenal. In fact, I think I have touched on them in previous videos, so I've not discovered them today. But I've rediscovered them anyway. So basically, for these doors, I only have one door blueprint for the entire game, and I will only need one door blueprint. which is really interesting because I can do so many different things with the door just using these tags. So if I go into the door blueprint real quick and just take this top part, for example, you can see that on the begin play, I check whether the actor has the tag blue, and if it does, I set the material, on the door, but you see here where it's grey, you can see that this one down here actually has, you can see this one has the tag green. So when we hit play, that goes green instead of being grey. So it basically checks, do I have the tag blue? Nope. Do I have the tag green? Yes, I do. So I set the materials of that, of the, the colour on the door, I set those materials to a green material. And now because I've got that little bit of a blueprint, a bit of script in there, I only need that one door. I don't have to have a green door, a blue door, and a yellow door. And further down here, when we're doing the when I'm working with the key cards, I put this bit of a script in down here, and every single door can correspond the key card color, the color of the tag with the correct key card. So it checks, do I have the tag blue? And if I have the tag blue, it'll set the door color to blue, and it will also allow you to enter if you have a blue key card on you. Otherwise, it won't allow you to do anything. So if we just check here, this key card here, even though it looks blue, we've set that to green. So if I set this door to blue, down here in the tags, you'll see first of all that the color's blue, and that key card that was blue is now green. So if I take that key card, I can't open this blue door with it. The guy can open the door, which is good, because I needed him. That took me a couple hours to get him to be able to open any door without key cards. But yeah, I got there. And yeah, so that's the deal. So like these tags are really, really interesting in that I can change textures, I can change, I could have it, do different things just by having this one word green down here. And I could put, all the green cut, all of these here. And you see how I'm just copying that? But if I make this one yellow, and I make the middle one blue, then I go and have a look over there, and all three key cards are there now. I can get all three. I kind of can. Probably shouldn't have put them there, actually. That's not really working, is it? Oh well. Let's give that a shot. But yeah, the key cards are there. I can pick up all the key cards, and now I can open any door I want. So both blue. He's there. But yeah. So yeah, that's tags. Now, basically, guys, I'm going to be doing this challenge then until the Wednesday, I think so 5 days. I give myself 5 days to see what I can make of this game. On the 6th day, I'll play it. I think on the 8th, one of my favourite flatmates, she's back home. So if we've got a game ready by then, I'll put the webcam on. We'll record her having a playthrough, see if we can get some scares going. We'll see if we can build some cheap jump scares into this. Well, I don't know. We'll see what we can do with it. In the time given, but I'm not going to go over the top on the looks. I'm going to focus really on getting the atmosphere there. So I'm going to look a lot tomorrow into sound, into what I can do with particle effects as well. I'd love to play more with particle effects and get some tutorials about what you can do with particle effects. Maybe there's an event in this game where all the sprinklers go off. There's like a low lying level of water on the floor. The sprinklers are all going off. Something like that. Maybe there's a fire, and then all the sprinklers go off. I want to play around with events, and I want to play around with particles and stuff. So if I get that working, and if at the end of this, at the end of these 5 days, if you think, yo, those particles look good, drop my channel a message and say, how did you do those particles? Can I have the particles? And I'll try and put up videos based on what you request. Now, as I've said, I don't have a lot of time. These days, being at university now, and with the workload that we do have here, to be playing on this as much as I used to. But if you guys request a video, I'm definitely going to go ahead and try and get that out there. I'll just cover this quickly, so you can see that the TV screen there is flashing. That's nothing special. It's just a texture. It's a flipbook. If you want to know how to go ahead and get moving textures, I've got a tutorial up about flipbooks and animated textures, so go back. I think it was one of my first videos actually ever did for Unreal Engine, so head all the way on back there through my channel, all the way back there, and you'll find a tutorial on how to do that. But yeah, tags is something I will definitely be making a tutorial on, because this stuff is is powerful. You know, tags seem really, really powerful. Anyway, yeah, it's now 20 past 4. I already recorded this once, but I forgot to record the audio, which sucks. So I'm going to go ahead, quickly render this, quickly throw this on upload, and get myself into bed for now. Yeah, I'm looking forward to carrying on with this tomorrow and over the coming week or so. And hopefully, yeah, let's see what we've got at the end of it. So as always, guys, thanks very much for watching. If you do enjoy the video, please do subscribe to the channel. It's a great help. Give the video a thumbs up. Comment on this video. You tell me what tutorials you want to see. If you've seen something in this video that you think, that's interesting, how's he done that? Let me know. Because I am so tired, I've forgotten if this thing's modular or not. If I've explained that this is modular. So yeah, like I can just drag out new modules for this thing and expand it here. So that was that like that. And now it's like that. But yeah. Did I touch on that at the beginning? I don't know. I forget. If not, it's modular. Woo, yay. Okay, right. Wrapping it up there because I'm obviously crazy tired now, guys. Again, thanks very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Take care. Have a good one.